I chose Simpson's Trunk Guy's Mission line for this project for the look, more than anything. We looked at a couple competitor products. I actually bought a couple of them, held them up, saw how it looked, and decided to go this route for the cost and for the availability. Inspiration for this project was to have an outdoor eating area, a kitchen, paver area where everybody can relax and have a shade structure. The Mission line was really easy to install. Knowing I'd be on a ladder, knowing I need to have one drill, I didn't want to pre-drill anything. I wanted to screw the go in the first time and have it done. We do have a nature area behind our house with a walking trail, and people have walked up, hopped on the fence, introduced themselves. I've met a couple new neighbors that way, and they always hop over and say, what's that hardware on there? Because we're looking for something in our backyard.